For those of you who are taking IAL Unit 2 Chemistry, here's a solid plan that has helped many students achieve good grades in short time. First, we will divide this plan into 3 stages. Stage 1, you're going to get familiarized with the 3 main topics of Unit 2: organic chemistry, energetics, and group chemistry. Let's start with organic chemistry. Organic chemistry of Unit 2 is all about alcohols and halogenoalkanes. You need to study very well the oxidation of alcohols. This will help you for Unit 2 and Unit 3 exam. Plus, you need to be able to draw the mechanisms of nucleophilic substitution. One thing about organic chemistry is that they may ask you about content from Unit 1. Another topic that they may also ask you about in Unit 2, which is related to Unit 1, is molecular shapes. So I would recommend that you do revision for these 2 topics. Let's move to energetics. For energetics, the best thing you could do is to master the definitions, like the definition of enthalpy of atomization, enthalpy of combustion, with neutralization. You know what I'm talking about here. In addition, you should be able to draw Hess's cycle, which comes very often. Third, for group chemistry, spend time to memorize the trends of solubility, thermal stability, and the colors of halogens, because those are going to help you a lot when solving exams. In stage 2, you'll be solving exams from 2019 to 2021. Do these with open notes, because that will help you to reinforce the information you learned in stage 1. Do exams from 2022 and 2023. Try to do them without the notes, but be flexible with the time, and aim to score at least 55 out of 80. In stage 3, you're going to be using exams from 2024 and 2025 as mock test. Do each exam within 90 minutes and aim to score at least 65 out of 80. And you should be able to find the best strategy to solve a full exam. I've seen students starting their exam from section B and leaving the multiple choice questions till the end. Feel free to ask questions, and I wish you all best of luck for your upcoming exams.